Hello everyone, I am MrGamingGuitarist, and the third shipment for my new computer has arrived, and so it's an even bigger box than the one from last time, so we are going to unbox it. Make sure you can see this here on the camera. Oh, yeah, you still can. Alright. So inside, if you can see that, it is a, oh, it's upside down, so well, I'm just going to take it out, and then I hope I can take this out without breaking my back, except I don't need Bane to break my back, but I can do it myself. Okay, here we go. Okay, and got it. So, right here, you can see, it's a Corsair 200R case, and that was everything in that one big ass box. And it doesn't have a window. I'm not going to use any fancy lights or anything because I don't really need a lot of that fancy stuff. All I need is a computer that works, that's going to work well. Something that's going to serve me and my needs well. And that's why they call it a PC, because it stands for personal computer. So everything I picked was all stuff that was good for me. So I've seen lots of videos of this case being built, and I see nothing but praise for it. So that's why I decided to go with this case. It's an ATX case. It's a standard. I believe it is a mid-tower. Well, on the Amazon page they call it a compact ATX case, but I'm not really too sure. I believe it's compact when just look at how big the box is from where I am. See, there's the box, and I don't even know if I'm in the frame, but anyways, so that's everything for today, and I will see you on my next video. So please subscribe so that you don't miss out on more updates to my brand new upcoming for my brand new computer. So subscribe so you don't miss out when I make videos on all the other rest of the parts as they arrive. Alright, I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.